Loon. I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My yammy Loon. He's yammy.
Yes, my yammy. You're yammy.
He's yammy and he's yummy and he's every sugar and spice and everything.
Lord.
Nice.
Yes.
You know,
okay.
yammy. It's that time of the year to be yammy. So guess what we're making? You'll never guess. It's the holidays. It's Thanksgiving. The world is collapsing all around us, but we're going to have a great meal.
Yes, we are.
Let's tell them what we're making. We're doing our candied yams. Yay for candied yams or sweet potatoes, whatever you want to call them.
You are
Feeling
very
I'm
special.
excited. I tell you, it's my favorite time of the year. Even if it's just like us and the dogs,
Oh,
we're going to have a feast to end all feast. Okay,
that's good.
so what we're going to, so let me tell you about this. This is a really wonderful way. What's great about this dish is it certainly has a sweet component to it, and which is wonderful when you've got all those savory like turkey and gravy and dressing. This just goes so great with it.
And it's so simple, and it has
easy.
Hardly any ingredients in it.
Well, just the yummy ones. Okay, the yammy ones. Okay, so let's talk real quick about what we did. I've got a nice large skillet here that I'm heating over medium high heat.
And I got a big old bowl of yams.
Steaming yams. So what we need to start the cooking on these yams. So what
sweet potatoes.
Sweet potatoes. Those potatoes are so sweet. So anyway, what we did is we got our potatoes and we rinsed them in a little water, and then I just do that because I think it makes the peeling easier. And then you got to peel them. That's kind of that's the only hassle of this one.
That's the hardest part of this.
Yeah, that's it. And once you get that done, then you're smooth sailing. Okay, and then what I like to do is then I just cut them, and I cut them into pretty thick pieces because these are going to cook down and reduce.
Does that help them get softer quicker?
It does. It helps expedite the cooking considerably. So then what I do is I get a pot of boiling water, and I just carefully add those potatoes in. And you've only got let it come back to a boil, and then they only need to go about 10 minutes because you want to get them going because they would cook for a really long time in here.
Right.
You
yes.
didn't do that.
Our friend Wendy, when she first made these, she's going to kill me, but she forgot to boil them before she cooked them, and it took like 3 hours.
We had Thanksgiving breakfast, actually, by the time they were ready. Okay.
Sorry, Wendy.
Yeah, no, we love them. This is actually her recipe, basically.
It is.
Okay, so with the exception of, not boiling the potatoes. Okay, so now we're going to add these in here, and they're already soft, so this doesn't really take a long time. Okay, now this is when we're going to add the incredible flavors.
So good.
We've got a cup of dark brown sugar. I love dark because I love molasses. And then we got a cup of just regular sugar. I told you it was sweet. And then we've got a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And now, of course, it's Thanksgiving, so we're not watching our waistlines, are we?
No, we're not. We're watching everybody else's waistline.
We're watching ours expand. Okay, so now we've got that's 8 tablespoons, which is a stick of unsalted butter, and then I've got a half a cup of water that's just going to kind of help things cook. And then you just cook that's all there is to it. You want to stir it around till the butter melts. The potatoes, they don't have to completely stay their shape. They won't.
Right.
And then this is going to
soft,
get it mushy, and what's really great is this. See all of this. That's going to turn into this
like
thick, syrupy kind of just incredible. It's amazing. It's just so good.
Yams.
Okay, I'm yammers for yams. Just trying to find something there. So anyway, okay, what we're going to do is we're going to let this just go. It can go anywhere from 30 minutes to 60 minutes, depending on how well you've cooked your yams already to begin with. And like I said, the key here is that they become nice and soft and that syrup turns nice and thick. And then that's all there is to it.
Easy.
And it's eating time.
So easy.
Then you can go make make your gravy, and do all that other stuff.
Right.
Okay? All right.
Yay.
We'll see you in a bit. Oh my gosh, this is just yummy wonderfulness.
Oh, you are trying to make that work.
I know. You'd think
God bless you.
there would be a million jokes based off the word yam. Okay,
Those smell so good.
Crazy good.
Yes.
Okay, so you can see that they do start to disintegrate a little bit, and that's okay. These are not meant to be like beautiful French gratin potatoes. I mean, these are all Americans yams.
Yes.
So if you love them completely whole, then what I would recommend then is not pre-boiling them and just let them simmer in this but it's going to take like an hour and a half to do that. So
forever.
Okay, you hold this. We're going to transfer this to this bowl. I'm going to turn this off. And if you can help me, I know we can do it as a team.
All right.
Wait, what's that? Oh, that's from the bowl.
Yeah,
okay.
that's from my little thing.
Yes.
Okay.
Look at that.
Chris.
Now, do you see how that syrup has just become just like this incredible sauce. It just coats those beautiful.
Oh yes.
That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, these are fall apart tender.
Yeah, they are. They really are. I mean, and then if you really wanted to be kind of like fancy, you could just put a couple of cinnamon sticks on there, just for pretty presentation.
Actually, though, when those sit in there for a while, it imparts some more cinnamon.
It does. It gives a little more flavor.
More cinnamon. Yay! Look at that.
That is beautiful. That's put
okay.
that on
Well,
the
I don't know what you're eating.
Thanksgiving table, and that's a lot to be thankful for.
All right, let's spoon this up.
Let's do it. Let's eat. Okay.
You spoon.
Oh, okay. All right.
You're the server. I'm the eater.
Yeah, well, some things never change. We're just, it's sort of depressing that there's not a whole big plate here of like dressing and turkey and all.
That's coming.
That's
coming. All right.
Doesn't that look here? Okay, this is mine.
All right.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
Digging in, folks. Oh, they smell so good. They smell
really
so good.
Oh, perfectly. Oh, did we say that we let these go for 30 minutes?
Yes. They're hot.
Yeah. Are you thankful? It's this little piece of heaven, right?
Yes.
I know. Every time,
I love those so much.
I make these once a year, and every year we are reminded.
I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, I love. Oh,
it's just so heartwarming, and
they're just the sweetness of them, and that.
And it's just classic. It's classic Thanksgiving.
Yes,
I mean, there's just nothing that smells like
that. Is perfect. That is perfect, and it's 100% Loon approved.
Yes, I was
good.
so hoping you would
know
say
what?
that.
I love it. I love it when it's on the plate, and then the mashed potatoes kind of get mixed in.
Yeah,
your green bean casserole.
And it's shocking that he's saying that because he's one of those people that does not like to mix the sweet and the savory.
Oh,
but this is the exception.
At Thanksgiving,
everything
all goes together.
Oh my gosh.
That is so good.
The potatoes are perfectly cooked. The yams are perfectly cooked.
Then you get a nice sugar rush for the rest of the afternoon.
Kind of
to counteract your turkey.
Right. That.
Oh, that's so funny. Now you can get this recipe on howtofeedaloon.com.
Oh my gosh. And this doesn't even have the little marshmallows on top. I mean, you could do that, but I think this is great. So go to our social media, like us, share us. Do all of that. Be thankful for each other. We're thankful for you. We're going to get through this crazy year of 2020.
We are.
And then next year, I've said this before, everyone's invited over to our house.
Yeah.
I'm going to cook for everybody. Okay?
Yes, and we're going to eat these yams.
I love you.
Woo-hoo, bye.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Stay safe.
Hey, everybody.
Hi, guys. Now, if you want to be a part of the Loon fun, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you won't miss a single recipe.
That's right. Oh, and speaking of recipes, if you want another amazing recipe like this, then just click right here.
Yeah, click.
Click.
Subscribe.
It's so much fun.